Hello guys, welcome back to Spyro Tech 365. Today's video is going to be how to use your Roto Brush tool in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to our channel, we're excited to have you here with us. In this video, we'll show you the talents of using Roto Brush tool. We've put a lot of time and effort into making this video as informative and entertaining as possible, so we hope you enjoy it. So, get ready to level up your skills and let's get started. So, what is the Roto Brush tool? Roto Brush tool is used for basically to remove an object or to cut the object from the background or surface, and to refine edges. You can see if you click here, there is a Roto Brush tool and Refine Edge tool. So if I click the first one, and then you have to double click here to open the layer source. You can see there is a green tick mark arrives, which will create the masks. And if you go to Effects panel, will automatically create a Roto Brush effect here. So, if we only choose this composition, the duration of this composition, if we just draw, here it will create a mask. If we undo it, the mask will be gone. We can change the brush size by pressing Ctrl and left click of mouse. I have pressed Ctrl plus left click, so therefore, I can change the brush size of the Roto Brush tool. So, if I just draw some lines here, it will automatically create mask around the object. You can see the mask is expanding automatically by itself. And if you press Alt, then it will decrease the mask here. Suppose, if I press here and if I press Alt, you can see the mask is decreasing. We can then use Refine Edge tool. From here, if we select Refine Edge tool, and we can use it to redefine the edges of this. So, if you press here alpha modes, that is, everything is in here. The white portion that has been shown and other things has been removed. And if you click here in the checkbox invert foreground or background, then these objects will be removed and the background will remain. You can also increase the feathers of here. So, this is one of the lengthy process. A time-consuming process. So now, you can see that we have all already selected our objects. And if we click in the checkbox of invert foreground or background, the objects is in the black mask will be removed. Okay, if you click here, the toggle alpha overlay option to see the overlay, you can see the overlay here. And if you click here, you can see the mask around these objects. So, that's how we can use the Roto Brush tool. And also, we can change the duration from here. You can see that's the duration, you increase or decrease this duration of this too also. So, if we come to the composition, if we uncheck this checkbox of invert foreground or background, we can use these objects from here and we can use another background here and you can place the objects on the background. So that's how we can use the Roto Brush tool in Adobe After Effects. You can freeze here to lock Roto Brush tool and refine edge propagation. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.